Thinking about scoring some free Robux from Drr.one? Wait a second before you get your hopes up and start imagining a shopping spree in the avatar shop. You might want to hear what we found. Drr.one claims to hand out unlimited Robux with just a few clicks, but the deeper we looked, the sketchier it got. Right after landing on the site, you're instantly redirected to a suspicious-looking domain, pages.dev. That kind of redirect is a major red flag and often used to hide what's really going on behind the scenes. There's also no official announcement or partnership mentioned on Roblox.com, nothing to confirm this is real. And get this, the domain was only registered in July 2025, which makes it brand new and potentially set up just for short-term exploitation. The site flashes fake pop-ups like 1,000 Robux sent to create a false sense of trust, but there's zero proof that anyone actually receives anything. Instead of getting Robux, users are funneled through random pages that ask for logins, surveys, or clicks, and none of it results in any confirmed rewards. The promise of infinite Robux isn't just misleading, it directly contradicts how the Roblox platform works, where Robux distribution is tightly controlled. Even more concerning is the total lack of feedback from real users. No reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or YouTube, not even warnings or praise, just complete silence, which often suggests the site hasn't gained real traction or has been ignored due to obvious red flags. To be clear, we're not labeling this a 100% scam, but it definitely doesn't come across as trustworthy either. It's one of those sites that leaves you with more questions than answers, and in the end, no Robux in your account. So if you're tempted to try it, think twice.